Hi, I'm Kelly Kay with Stephanie from iCarpetTiles.com, and we're at the home of Tom and Lisa Drexler. Now, I'm guessing, Stephanie, they've got some carpet tiles in there.
They do. They have carpet tiles, and they also have our Chilewich tiles that they have installed.
Now, where exactly have they put them?
They have put them all throughout their home, and they have a carriage house that they've used them in. The Drexlers installed carpet tiles in their children's playroom and family media room. Then they used our Chilewich tiles in several rooms in their carriage house, in the bedroom, the sitting room, and in a bathroom. And then in an area where you really could use our Chilewich tiles, they've installed them in their mudroom.
Matthew! So Lisa, what made you decide to use carpet tiles from iCarpetTiles.com in your home?
Well, my husband Tom at Tom Drexler Plumbing has used carpet tiles at the office, and it was such a great application for an office setting that we just wanted to try it at home.
What are some of the advantages of using carpet tiles over some other flooring options?
Number one, the affordability. Very affordable for the look that we wanted and very durable.
So I've noticed here in the carriage house you've used the Chilewich tiles. What do you think of those?
We love the contemporary style. We've used it in this room as well as the bedroom and the bathroom. I have 2 children and a dog, and the thought that if you do have a spill, just pull it up, wash it with hot water, and just put it back down. It's great.
How satisfied are you?
I would definitely recommend iCarpet Tiles for anyone for different applications in their house. It works great, and they're so versatile and decorative.
Thanks once again to the Drexler family for letting us invade your space. Check out iCarpetTiles.com now for all of your flooring needs. She's Stephanie, I'm Kelly. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.